Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating a map with the 3i G10 Plus. If you're interested in the G10 Plus, the link to it will be in the video description. So within the 3i app, we're in our G10 Plus settings right here. We need to select that big purple enter button. That takes us to this screen where we can start mapping. Before we press that button, make sure you have all the doors to the rooms that you want mapped open around your house, and place the G10 Plus exactly where you want it in its base and charging station, so then you can begin mapping. So we're going to start mapping by selecting that Start Mapping purple button, and then we can go ahead and create a new map. So it's going to load for us, and it's going to start mapping. So it looks like it's doing a self-check right now. It'll patrol around the house. Take a look at that. We're seeing it in real time right here. Sometimes you might get a checklist too. Maybe you'll get an initial checklist for setup. But now it's patrolling and it's going to map, so we wait. So it took less than 5 minutes, and the robot even gives a voice prompt that's letting you know that mapping is completed, and it returns back to the station, which is what the current status is right there. And now it's charging. The map was successful. Take a look at this right here, how it laid everything out. Not bad at all. Got room 1, room 2, corridor, room 4, room 3. You know, technically it's not wrong with room 5. The flooring changes there too. So I get why it did all that. But really sweet that it was able to populate the map. Simple and straightforward to get your map made with the 3i G10 Plus. And for those wondering, you are able to edit this map as well too to get it exactly how you want it.